How to reset Windows 10 without losing data. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open your settings. You can do this by pressing the Window and I button. Once you do that, click on Update and Security. Make sure you're on this Recovery tab, and you'll see Reset this PC. Now, if your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them, and then reinstalls Windows. Click on Get Started. So here you'll be able to choose an option of keeping your files or removing everything. To reset Windows 10 without losing data, you have to select Keep My Files. So this removes apps and settings, but it keeps your personal files. Select this option and then click on Next. Once you do that, follow the prompt and then confirm that you do want to reset Windows 10. Once you do this, your Windows will be reset, but your personal files will still be available. So this is how to reset Windows 10 without losing data. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.